Hi children, how are you? Are you ready? Let us start. A for anaconda and alligator. A for anaconda and alligator. B for bull and bear. B for bull and bear. C for cat and camel. C for cat and camel. D for dog and donkey. D for dog and donkey. E for elephant and echidna. E for elephant and echidna. F for fox and frog. F for fox and frog. G for goat and gorilla. G for goat and gorilla. H for horse and hippopotamus. H for horse and hippopotamus. I for iguana and ibex. I for iguana and ibex. J for jaguar and jellyfish. J for jaguar and jellyfish. K for kangaroo and king cobra. K for kangaroo and king cobra. L for lion and leopard. L for lion and leopard. M for monkey and mongoose. M for monkey and mongoose. N for nilgai and newt. N for nilgai and newt. O for ox and octopus. O for ox and octopus. P for pig and polar bear. P for pig and polar bear. Q for quail and quokka. Q for quail and quokka. R for rat and rabbit. R for rat and rabbit. S for squirrel and snake. S for squirrel and snake. T for tiger and tortoise. T for tiger and tortoise. U for unicorn, crestfish and urchin. U for unicorn, crestfish and urchin. V for viper and vulture. V for viper and vulture. W for wolf and whale. W for wolf and whale. X for crayfish and cynops. X for crayfish and cynops. Y for yak and yellow ground squirrel. Y for yak and yellow ground squirrel. Z for zebra and zebu. Z for zebra and zebu. Okay. Thank you.